Well, hello everybody. How y'all doing? It's the Jarhead coming at you. You might be wondering, what are you doing today, Jarhead? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Well, I had me a big old ham and I had to cook up, and it's just me and Mama now, and the kids have all moved away. So I took and chopped that ham up, threw a bunch of beans together, skimmed off much of the fat as I could, put the juice back in her, and cooked this off last night. So that's my ham hockers right there, that big old bone right there that cooked that off there. And next I'm going to do is put them in these jars. Then I'm going to put them in this canner. And that canner's going to be full of water. And then by the time that thing is done percolating and doing what it's supposed to be doing, well, maybe I can take care of them tomatoes and that zucchini or that zucchini. And I just got the garden busting my butt here. So anyway, I'll get you the second part of this once I get everything kind of going, so you'll get to know what I'm doing, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so I'm gonna put all of that into these, into there.